English Learning Network.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's learn the difference between could and was able to. When I was young, I could run fast.
When I was young, I could run fast.
My father could drive a truck.
My father could drive a truck.
She could sing very well.
She could sing very well.
We could play outside every day.
We could play outside every day.
He could read at age 5.
He could read at age 5.
I could swim when I was 8.
I could swim when I was 8.
They could speak 2 languages.
They could speak 2 languages.
My sister could cook simple meals.
My sister could cook simple meals.
Birds could fly over the trees.
Birds could fly over the trees.
He could ride a bicycle.
He could ride a bicycle.
I was able to finish my homework last night.
I was able to finish my homework last night.
She was able to catch the bus this morning.
She was able to catch the bus this morning.
We were able to find the shop yesterday.
We were able to find the shop yesterday.
He was able to open the door.
He was able to open the door.
They were able to solve the problem.
They were able to solve the problem.
I was able to call my mother after work.
I was able to call my mother after work.
She was able to pass the test.
She was able to pass the test.
He was able to fix his bike.
He was able to fix his bike.
We were able to reach home safely.
We were able to reach home safely.
I was able to meet my friend yesterday.
I was able to meet my friend yesterday.
Fill in the blank practice. 1. When she was little, she blank dance well. Answer: could. I finished the project yesterday. Answer: was able to. They find their lost cat last night. Answer: were able to. He swim when he was a child. Answer: could. We catch the train this morning. Answer: were able to.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.